In this class, I am going to discuss about nested if else in C. Introduction. If there are more than two conditions, we may use nested if else or else if ladder. A nested if else statement means writing an if else statement within the body of if loop, within the body of else loop, or within the body of both if and else loop. Okay. For example, I am writing here. Okay. First one is what? A nested if else statement means writing an if else statement within the body of if. I can write one if here. Okay, again I can write if and I can write else. Within the if I can write again if else, or within the body of else, for example else, I can write if condition and again I can write else, or both. I can write if else statement within the if, I can write with if else statement within the else, or both. Okay, that is the meaning of this nested if. Definition: a nested if else statement in C means using an if else statement inside the another if or else block. It allows checking multiple conditions in a structured way. This is useful when decisions depend on multiple layers of conditions. Look at here. So this is syntax one. There are three types of syntax. What is the three types of syntaxes? So if else. So this if else I can place in the if body, and if else I can place in the else body. Else body also I can place if else, and both. So see here, in the if body I place if else, another else body also I placed if else. Okay, now what is the statement? Okay, a nested if else statement means writing an if else statement within the body of if we have seen, within the body of else, or both. Okay, now first we'll see within the body of if. So I wrote if else statement within the body of if. Okay, now so this is a condition. Condition one is true. Okay, now then condition two is checked. If they're true, the particular statements in the block will be executed. If the condition one is false, so it is going to the condition three execution. If it is true, true body. If it is false, false body. Okay, now true means, so coming to the LHS side, false means going to the RHS side. Once the condition is true, it is coming into the another if else condition. It is a if condition true. So inside the if there is another if else condition is providing. If the condition is false, for example else else means false. Within that also again I am providing if statement and else statement. So there's a three. And if condition one is true, then condition two is tested. If the condition one is true, condition two is tested. If the condition 2 is false, else statement block 2 will be executed. If the condition 2 is false, else statement block of condition 2 executed, like that. Okay, so that's something I wrote. So this is first case is what we have seen. If else is placed inside the if condition, but here this if else is placed inside the else condition, else body. Both if body inside the if I am writing if else statement, and else body I am writing if else statement. This is the same program only, same syntax. Okay, now key points: nesting means placing one control statement inside another. Conditions must be enclosed in parentheses. The inner if else is executed only if the outer condition allows it. Okay, now inner if else is executed only, outer condition allows it. Inner if else is executed only, outer condition allows means it has to be true. Then only it will come here. If it is false, it never come here, no, goes here. That's the meaning of this. Okay. Nesting can be done in the if part, else part, or both. This we have seen. Okay. Na? Too many levels of nesting make the program harder to read. Okay. Na? This little bit complexity will be there. So it should be used carefully. Okay. Na? Next, I am going to explain with the help of a program. This is a nested if program, right? So as include stdio.h into main into number I am taking. So here I am taking from the user. Printf enter a number means this will be shown on the screen. Then user may enter a number. So that is stored in the address of the number. So number variable I declare, no. So the variable address, whatever the number you are entering, that is stores in the address of the variable. And for example, if I enter 10, so if 10 is not equal to 0, false. 10 is not equal to 0, true. 10 is not equal to 0, true. So coming enter into the loop, again 10 is greater than 0, true. Then this body will be executed. If the condition is false, else body will be executed. Okay. So let me explain through an example so you'll understand very clearly. So I'm compiling here, compilation, and I'm going to run this program. So enter a number. So same printf, enter a number, it will be show onto the screen. Now I'm entering 10, right? So here I'm entering 10. So the 10 is going to store in the address of the variable number 10. Okay, na? So number equal 10 now. 10 is not equal to 0. 10 is not equal to 0. It is true. Hence entering into this. So 10 is greater than 0. It is also true. Hence it is entering into the, this is shown onto the screen. Then loop will come out. Then loop will be coming out. Okay, na? For example, I am entering, compile, run. I am entering minus value now. Okay, na? For example, I am entering minus 10. Clear? So minus 10 means what is output? The number is negative. Look at here. So enter a number means I entered minus 10. So minus 10 is stored in the variable of number, address of number. Now the number equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is not equal to 0, true. Minus 10 is not equal to 0, true. Entering into the body of this. So minus 10 is greater than 0, false. Minus 10 is greater than 0, it is false. So hence it is going to the else if. It is false now. When it is false, going to check the next. So minus 10 is less than 0, true. Minus 10 is less than 0, true. Hence the number is negative, it is displaying. Are you getting me or not? The number is negative. The number is negative. Okay? In this way we are going to understand. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.